let's talk about receiving and completing a service request in the Curbside SOS towing dashboard. To begin, we're going to start off on the main dispatch screen. When waiting for service requests, you'll want to make sure that you have this tab open, as this is where you'll receive and be notified of services. Speaking of, it looks like we've been assigned a service request. By clicking on it, we can view more information. So here, we have an accident off Upper Montague Road on a red Ford F-150, and the option to assign or decline the service. For this request, we're going to hit Assign. After selecting Assign Operator, you'll be brought to a new screen to select the desired operator that you would like assigned to the service request. After selecting, you can confirm by clicking Notify Operator. Now let's see what happens on the operator's side. The selected operator will be notified of the request within their app. They will see the service request and the option to mark On My Way using the button at the bottom of their screen. This selection will automatically change the status on your dashboard as well. This will inform you or your dispatcher that the operator is on their way. After your operator has selected On My Way, they'll be given the option to open their mobile device's map to automatically route from their location to the location of the service request. Meanwhile, on your desktop dashboard, clicking on a service request will bring you to an expanded and open version of the service, which we can look at as the driver continues through the service flow. Now that your operator has selected On My Way and mapped their way to the service request, they will now be presented with an orange plus button in the app. This button is how they will interact within the service request, update you or dispatch on their progress, and continue the process of completing the service. Tapping that orange plus button in the operator's CSOS app will give them the options to map directions, which routes to the service location, add photos to upload pictures to the request. We recommend taking 360-degree shots of the vehicle before and after. There's also a Share with the Motorist option, which sends the motorist info about their request, and Mark as Complete, which closes the service and automatically updates the dispatch dashboard as well. When adding photos, the operator will be presented with the option to choose photos from their device's library or by taking a photo. The device's library option will open the phone's photo gallery to select photos to upload, while the Take a Photo option will automatically open the phone's camera. In this additional details section, you can also see a spot for internal notes, where the operator can add comments. Once satisfied with their additions, they can hit the Submit button to upload their internal notes, as well as the attached photos. On the operator's side, if the service is completed and photos have been uploaded, this is usually when they will mark a service as completed. There is also an option for dispatch to mark a service as completed as well. This is within the service details on the dashboard. After the operator or the dispatcher marks the service as complete, the request within the dashboard will be updated to show a status of completed. Your operator's app will also then default back to the Listening for Jobs screen, waiting for the next request to arrive. Drive safely.